Hi everybody, thanks so much for watching. Today we're going to be making a super fast, healthy, and easy chickpea and kale curry. We're going to start by heating up some oil or butter in a pot and putting in some onions, garlic, and ginger that I have chopped up. You want to cook that down for quite some time while you prepare the rest of your ingredients. You want it to have a nice brown color since this is going to be the base of your curry or sauce. I have some organic Better Than Bouillon vegetable base that I'm going to melt down in some water. You can also just use regular stock. Just make sure you adjust the salt and seasoning. This happened to be very salty, so I wouldn't put salt as I did next time later on. I added some curry leaves to the pot and some Madras curry powder that I love from Swad. It has so much flavor, but it does definitely give you a kick as well. So this salt I would eliminate if you are using a salty base. And then I added some coriander powder, some mustard seeds, a touch of garam masala. And you just want to give it a minute to kind of roast, a nice stir. And then go ahead and put in your stock or the bouillon base that's been melted down. You really want to give this some time to reduce and cook down nicely, allowing all the flavors to come together and really marry. I'm then going to add in a little bit of turmeric. It was just a full bottle, so it looks like I added a lot, but really not much came out. We're then going to go in with some fresh coriander or cilantro, stems and all. It's going to all cook down. We're then going to add in 2 cans of chickpeas that have been drained and washed. Of course, you can always use your own that you have boiled or soaked the night before, and a touch of water. You really want the chickpeas to cook for quite some time so they absorb all that amazing flavor and get nice and plump. While that's cooking down, I'm going to get some baby kale or baby spinach and chop that down. You want to add the kale or spinach towards the end so it really holds most of its nutrients and stays really vibrant green. Go ahead and cook that down just a little bit. And then I would have liked to use coconut milk here. I didn't happen to have any, and I did have a little bit of heavy cream or whipping cream, so I added that in there, but coconut milk would definitely add a lot more flavor, and then of course keep it vegan. Once it's had some time to reduce down, you want to go ahead and check for seasoning. So check for flavor, adjust to your own taste buds, of course, and then I like to fish out the curry leaves since they look a lot like the kale, and my husband and daughter would not be a fan. Once you have a color, consistency, and flavor that you like, go ahead and pour this over some rice. Have it with a tortilla or roti, even quinoa over quinoa would be absolutely amazing. Fast, healthy, and easy. I hope you enjoy it and let me know what modifications or changes you made below.